Hey guys, I'm Nick from Making Mazio. This is my daughter's doll from her doll collection, and I figured it would be a good thing to build her a doll cradle for her doll. So the first step to this was making this template. I built this template a while ago, and I still use it every time I want to build one of these. So I just lay the template down, trace it out, cut it on the bandsaw, and then use that top piece to route out a few more. So once I'm done tracing out the template, I cut out a rough shape around where the template can fit in, and that way I can have a smaller piece to take over to the bandsaw. And then I just repeat that cut knowing that the template can fit inside of that square. Now I'm just going to cut out that shape on the bandsaw and staying on the outside of the line here because I know I'm going to move over to the sander in a second to finalize that shape and smooth over the edges. And to cut out the heart shape, I just drilled a hole big enough to accept the jigsaw blade and then cut out the inside of that heart. Next I moved over with the Dremel to finalize that shape and smooth over all the rough areas from the jigsaw. Then I just did some final sanding on the faces and then used my palm router to round over all the edges, and you could easily do this with sandpaper as well. Next I worked on the sides of the crib, and for the top of the sides I just made a regular rip cut and then added a 7-degree angle for the bottoms. Then I just measured and cut out the sides and the bottom to their final length. Then to assemble the sides and the bottom, I just used some clamps to hold it all together, drilled some pilot holes and a countersink, and then used 3 screws on each side to hold it all together. Now to attach the faces, I just measure an equal distance all the way around, trying to center the sides and bottom to the face. Then I make a line to know where it's going to go, put some hot glue down to hold it all together while I flip it over and drill from the opposite side. Lastly, to make it nice and clean, I fill in the screw holes with some wood filler. I give it one final sanding before staining it or painting it. And since I was building a few of these for a craft show, I decided to stain one and paint the other one white. So this doll cradle is all built out of 3/4 inch pine board that you would find at your local home center. And my daughter really loves it. She's been using this for a while now, and I built a few more. I actually painted these ones white. They came out pretty good as well. I do like the wood color a little better, but the only thing is that you can see the screw holes. So I'm gonna have to do some kind of other joining method for this to not be able to see the screw holes. But other than that, I really do like these. I do have these for sale on my Etsy page as well as my Facebook, but these are really cool. I've seen some other cradles out there for dolls, but I thought that this was the best design. It has the little hearts on either side, and yeah, it gets a lot of use. It rocks on its own, and it's really easy to build, so I think that anyone can do this. So down below will be the links to my Instructables page, where I'll have a full breakout of the materials and steps needed to build this, as well as my website will also have those. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time guys, thank you for watching, and remember to make, create, and do what you love. Bye guys.